Have you ever heard of the remote control laser hair removal machine? This technology can help your rental model business come true and make your business better. Now, you only need a mobile phone to control hundreds of machines, set the rental time and shooting time like this. Click push and let the machine on the other side of the world complete setting. The treatment data of each machine will also be remotely synchronized to the mobile phone for reviewing at any time. We are a professional beauty machine manufacturer with more than 20 product categories and a global agency in more than 100 countries. Welcome to follow us and learn more about the